Let's make some homemade naked bars. Welcome to Delicious by Dara. Subscribe if you love delicious food. You will need cashews, dates, raisins, cacao powder and the extract flavour of your choice. We'll start with 2 cups of dates. Here I discovered that my blender works best with the blade inserted. Pro baking tip. Add 1.5 cups of cashew nuts and a half cup of raisins. These are optional, so if you're not a fan of raisins, you can omit them. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder and your extract flavour. If you're using oil, I suggest no more than 3 drops, so it's not overpowering. Mix it all up and roll out the dough. Refrigerate this for 20 to 30 minutes. Then cut it into bars or any shape you like. For all the ingredients, quantities and where to source them, just click the description below. These are a big hit in my home and even tastier than the shop bought version, so I do hope you enjoy them. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more.